It's still glowing. I wonder what's inside. Hello? Is anyone in there? Hello, I'm lost.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
My spaceship won't fly. Without the crystal, I can't start my spaceship, and I can't go home.
Don't worry, we'll find a way together.
The map says the crystal is deep in the forest.
Deep? Are you sure it's safe?
Don't worry, the map will guide us. Okay, but stay close.
Look! The crystal!
We found it! Let's put the crystal inside.
It's working!
Guide it in steady now.
Whoa! Look at the lights!
Thank you, Lumo. You helped me when I was lost. Friends always help each other. I will never forget you. And I'll never forget you either. Goodbye, my friend. See you again someday.
Helping others can create friendships across the stars.
You're home. We were so worried about you.
I missed you so much!
We're proud of you for being brave.
A friend named Lumo helped me find the crystal and repair my spaceship. Then Lumo's a true